Hello everyone, my name is Virendra Kumar Mato and today I am going to present my assignment of CUDA Troop technology. So in this assignment I have to build a full stack web application using React and Node.js, and I have to use the technology for the backend MongoDB as a database to store, and for another thing like Elasticsearch we have to build the Elasticsearch with the help of MongoDB and the Redux thing. So let me share to explain this project. So the project, the assignment is only we have to build the to-do application with the Elasticsearch. Okay. So let me share to explain in depth. Okay. So this is the application and this is the home page. That means first user need to log in and sign in. Then he will able to create the to-do app. That means to-do list. Okay. So first process is to that means suppose there is a new user in this application. So user need to first register himself. So he need to name, that suppose name, and suppose this is the name manoj@gmail.com. Okay, manoj@gmail.com, and password this is 12345 6. Okay, now here it is a that this is I am toggling this, so I can solve and also hide this password. Again 12345 6, so I need to confirm this password. Now user can also upload the image. So let me browse the image picture. So I am going to select any one picture. So suppose I am selecting this picture. Now it is showing that it is loading. Now if I click there, so it will show me a pop-up that register successful, and I am here. Now I can need to log in. So here I am. This is the Manoj @gmail.com. Okay, and after that I have to put the password 12345 6. Yeah, so login successful. After the login successful, we will redirect to this page. Here user can create the, that means to-do list. So I already build the, that means to-do list. So I want to show the, that means some features of this application. So I want to log in from that credential. So here I am going to log out from this application. So I got the message of log out successful. Okay. So log out successful. Now I am going to, that means log in with the credential that I have built some to-do list, so that I can show you feature of this application. So let me log in. Now here it is so that login successful, and after login successful, I implemented this thing. That means I created this. Also again, if I do the again, I am going to add this one more to-do list. So suppose this is the coding. Now description. Today I have coding assignment. Coding. I have to coding. I have coding assignment. Okay. Now if I click here, so that means this to-do list is added to the bottom of this our table. Okay. Now this is the add functionality. Also, if we want to update, so here it is how this that means title is not that is correct way. So if I want to update this title, so here I am going to DSA revision of tree. Okay, and yeah, so I am going to click. This is second reading second time. Now I am clicking over this update button. So you can see that DSA revision of the tree. This is the second time. So item has been updated. Okay. Now I want to show the Elasticsearch here. So if I click any, that means suppose HTML. So I will show the, that means list of the to do that contains the at least HMT in this, anywhere in this title. Okay. And suppose I am clicking, yeah, so there is the empty. So here we will show the all the list of the to do. Now if I suppose DSA, so I will get the DSA related. Okay, and suppose I take the revision, so I will get the, okay, of this. Yeah, and suppose I give the tree. Okay, so I got this to do list. Okay, so this is done by the Elasticsearch. That's why so it is working very fine. Now come to the code part. Okay, so this is all about the front end thing, and I build this in this project, in this assignment. So now I want to show you this coding. So here in this coding, first I build the backend part. In this backend, first we need to configure the database. So I configure the database. Okay, here we need the Mongo URL. Okay, so I am connecting here from Mongo URL. Now this is the, that means generating the token. For it need the for the verification part. So that's why here I am creating this token. And here in this backend, I follow the MVC structures. So this MVC structure give us very understandable code, and it looks very interactive. So any that is code developer can understand very well. Okay, and this is the config, that means connecting to database. Another, this is the controller part. All the controller I build here, and this is the middleware. I build the authenticate middleware and error handling middleware. Okay. Now these are the model, that means in the to do model. In the to do model, it will show that means user ID, that means who is going to create the user. That means to do, and after that title of the to do, and also description of the to do. Now come to the user model. In this user model, have the name of user, email, password, and picture. And I put the default picture is this. Okay, if suppose user does not put any profile picture, so it is this picture is going to updated in the database. Okay, now this is the model part. Now come to the route section. In this route section also I have to do routes. Okay, and this is the user routes. Okay, this is user routes. In this user routes, I will, that means register and login controller. Here I am passing this login controller. So come to the controller. This is the user controller. So it will redirect to the here register. And I am doing this here. And also I am hashing this password so that our password is in encrypted format, so no one can read. Okay, for or hiding the credential. Okay, now after that, that means after login successful, we can login. And so this is the login controller. In this login controller, first we are checking this, and I am comparing with the hash password with this bcrypt by using this here bcrypt. Okay, and if this is successful, so we are going to generate this token, and we are passing as a response this thing. Okay, and token. So this is the user authentication part. Now come to the to do creation. Okay, in this to do creation, that means I keep these are the routers that first this is the that means get router. So in this get router we will able to find all the to-do list. Okay. Now this is the get request. So now come to the post request. So this is the post request of the save to do. So here we are going to create the to-do list. Okay. Now this is the updation path. So for put that means I need the ID for the particular to do. So I have to pass this as ID, and we need also authentication. All these are the thing authentication part. Okay. And this is the search thing. Search, this is the elasticsearch. Now come to the controller of all these things. Okay, so this is the to-do controller. In this to-do controller, first we need the model of the to-do. Okay, now here I am getting this, that means I am writing the get method to get all the to-do list. Okay, so just we need to find this by user ID. Why user ID? Because suppose one user have created the to-do list and other user also created the to-do list. So if we select all the to-do list, so it will come all the list that are available in the database. So here I am only fetching this to-do list, the person who created and who login. So that's why I did this. Okay. Now this is the creation of this to-do list. Okay. And this is the that means deletion part of the to-do list, and these are the that means updation for updating the to-do list. And here I build the that means Elasticsearch, that means for the search thing. Okay, yeah, so this is that means backend part. Okay, now come to the front end. In this front end, okay, so here I use the React for building the front end. Now in this front end, that means this is the component, page, and util, and these are the app.js. Okay, and this is index.js. And you can find all the things in my GitHub repo. I pushed in the GitHub, so you will able to find this. Okay. Yeah. So this is all about of this project. Thank you.